I'm at a place where there's blackbirds. I haven't seen blackbirds since I left Northern California up at near Grass Valley. I love blackbirds, dude. Like the little blackbirds, you know, the actual blackbirds. I really love those birds, man. I've loved them for it's been over 12 years now. I became very acquainted with them in 2012. They'd come visit me on my porch and do their little walking thing with their head bobbing, you know, like they look at you like this. I love blackbirds, man. Yeah, so I'm out here and I just really wanted to record a video talking about how much I love blackbirds.